What's up, guys? Welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, I'll show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account. I'll demonstrate how to do this in both the Instagram and Facebook apps. So first, let's connect Instagram to Facebook and the Instagram app. Navigate to your profile. Then select the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, and then Account Center, and then Profiles, and then Add Accounts, and then add Facebook account. Just follow the prompts to log into your Facebook account and connect it to your Instagram account. Now let's go over and connect Facebook to Instagram in the Facebook app. So tap the menu in the bottom right, then select the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Now in the settings, go to see more in the account center section. Then select profiles, choose add accounts, then add Instagram account. Just like what you did a while ago on Instagram, you just have to follow the prompts to log into your Instagram account and link it to your Facebook account. Easy and simple, right? Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.